You see, like most guys, I waited way too long to replace my underwear, and some of my boxers were starting to look more like thongs. So I decided to research what was out there because I wasn't really thrilled with the fit of what I had. I was looking for something better, but I didn't really know what that would look like. Well, in my social media feed, as it would happen, I see a lot of ads from a company called ManMade, a Canadian company made up of a bunch of guys who were in a different industry and decided, well, they were going to leave their established, well-paying industries to make underwear. Yeah. But what I found really interesting was that these guys didn't market underwear like everybody else. It wasn't about the fashion. It wasn't about the image. It was about the fact that it was just really comfortable underwear. So you know what? I thought I'd take a closer look. And I went to their website, and not only was it really informative, but it made it very clear why their product was different from everybody else's, not just with regards to features, but benefits. And we all know features are what a product can do, and benefits are what a product can do for you. That was super easy to purchase, and I decided to jump in and give it a try. So I hadn't even received the product yet, and already they had started taking me on that journey.
So it's your first time, eh? Well, you're in for a treat.
You're absolutely gonna love this moldal fabric. It's silky soft and breathable.
You'll feel like you're wearing nothing at all.
We want to welcome you to the ManMade family and say,
Thank you!
The next day, I received another email letting me know that the product had shipped. The next day after that, I received another email letting me know it was out for delivery. And then later that day, I received a final email letting me know the product had arrived. And here's what was waiting for me at my door. And inside, a card with a brief story of the company and signed by the founders welcoming me to the ManMade family. Inside, 7 pairs of underwear, that's what I ordered, each one individually wrapped. Now, this has been a great journey so far from the time I ordered to the time I received the product, but there's a difference between customer experience and product experience. And to know for sure if everything is built up to be what it really can be, well, you gotta try the product. Give me a sec. Okay. Wow. I gotta tell you, this is unreal. It's like I'm not wearing underwear, but I am wearing underwear. It's like a second skin. Oh my gosh. These are amazing underwear. And I never thought I'd get this excited about underwear. But here's the thing that really excites me about all this. This is a great example of a company that took something as basic as underwear, not only created a better product, but took the customer on that journey. They created an exceptional customer experience from the time the product was ordered to the time the product was received, and best of all, they backed it up with a really, really awesome product. Now, I don't know if you need underwear, but I gotta tell you, this is definitely one to go with. And what makes it even better is their no hassle return policy, which, you know, I'm a big proponent of, in the fact that every purchase experience should be easy, convenient, and stress-free. And the big part of stress-free is being able to give back the product if you're not happy with it. These guys hit every mark. I'm telling you, it's unreal. So there you go, a little example of how a bunch of guys could create an exceptional product experience with a product as simple as underwear. Big question is, what can you do to create that kind of experience for your product or service?